Best track saws. Are you looking for the best track saws? In this video we will look at 5 of the best track saws on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Festool Plunge Cut Track Saw TS55. The Festool 577014 Plunge Cut Track Saw TS55 FEQF plus FS is a high-precision, professional-grade cutting tool designed for woodworkers, carpenters, and DIY enthusiasts who need clean, accurate, and splinter-free cuts. This saw is engineered to deliver exceptional performance, making it an excellent alternative to table saws for precision cutting, rip cuts, crosscuts, and plunge cuts. One of its standout features is the 55-inch guide rail, which ensures perfectly straight cuts while minimizing the risk of deviations. The saw's plunge cutting capability allows users to start cuts anywhere on the material, making it ideal for cutting doors, panels, and flooring materials with precision. The TS55 FEQF plus FS is powered by a high-torque motor that delivers consistent power for smooth, controlled cuts through a variety of materials, including hardwood, plywood, MDF, and laminates. The variable speed control allows users to adjust the saw's performance based on the material being cut, ensuring clean and efficient cutting without burning or splintering. Festool integrates advanced dust extraction technology, which keeps the work area clean by efficiently capturing dust and debris. This improves visibility, reduces cleanup time, and enhances air quality, making it a great choice for workshops and job sites. The saw also features micro-adjustable depth settings, allowing for precise depth control for different cutting applications. Its splinter guard system ensures that cuts remain clean and precise, reducing the need for extra finishing work. In summary, the Festool TS55 FEQF plus FS Plunge Cut Track Saw is a premium cutting tool designed for professionals and serious DIYers who require accuracy, reliability, and efficiency. Its powerful motor, guide rail system, dust extraction, and precision engineering make it one of the best track saws available for high-quality, splinter-free cuts across various materials. Number 2. Evolution Multi-Material Cutting Circular Track Saw Kit. The Evolution Power Tools are 185 CCSX plus 71/4 Multi-Material Circular Track Saw Kit is a versatile, high-performance cutting tool designed for professionals and DIYers who need precision, power, and multi-material cutting capability. This saw is an upgrade from previous models, featuring enhanced ergonomics, improved cutting performance, and added accessories for greater convenience and efficiency. One of the standout features of the R185 CCSX Plus is its ability to cut through a variety of materials, including wood, metal, plastics, and composites, without the need for changing blades. Its 185mm 71/4 carbide-tipped blade is designed for clean, smooth, and burr-free cuts, making it an excellent choice for construction, carpentry, and renovation projects. The included track guide system allows for straight, accurate, and controlled cuts, reducing material waste and improving efficiency. This makes it a great alternative to table saws and miter saws for tasks that require guided precision. The saw also comes with a carrying bag, making it convenient for transport and storage. The powerful 15-amp motor delivers smooth cutting performance, while the adjustable depth and bevel settings provide flexibility for different cutting angles and depths. With a maximum cutting depth of 21/2 at 90 degrees and 15/8 at 45 degrees, this saw is suitable for a wide range of cutting applications. For safety and user comfort, the saw features an ergonomic soft grip handle, a built-in dust extraction port, and a trigger safety switch, reducing dust exposure and improving control. In summary, the Evolution R185 CCSX Plus Multi-Material Circular Track Saw Kit is a powerful, precise, and user-friendly cutting tool that offers professional-grade performance at an affordable price. Its ability to cut through multiple materials, combined with a track guide system and ergonomic design, makes it an excellent choice for contractors, woodworkers, and DIYers. Number 3. Makita SP6000J1 Plunge Circular Saw Kit. The Makita SP6000J161/2 Plunge Circular Saw Kit is a high-precision cutting tool designed for professionals and serious DIYers who need accurate, smooth, and splinter-free cuts. This saw is ideal for cabinet makers, carpenters, and woodworkers looking for a versatile track saw alternative to table saws. One of the key features of the SP6000J1 is its plunge cutting capability, which allows users to start cuts from anywhere on the material, making it perfect for cutting doors, panels, and flooring. The included 55-inch guide rail ensures straight, precise cuts, reducing material waste and eliminating the need for clamps, thanks to its anti-slip base. The saw is powered by a 12-amp motor, delivering powerful and consistent cutting performance across various materials, including hardwood, plywood, MDF, and laminate. The variable speed control, 2000 to 5200 RPM, allows users to adjust the speed to match different materials, ensuring smooth, burn-free cuts. One of the standout features is the depth adjustment system, which allows for precise depth settings up to 23/16 at 90 degrees and 19/16 at 45 degrees. The saw also has a bevel capability of -1 degree to 48 degrees, making it ideal for angled cuts and joinery work. Makita has also incorporated a built-in torque limiter to prevent motor burnout, as well as a soft start function for smooth operation. The electric brake enhances safety, stopping the blade quickly after releasing the trigger. Additionally, the SP6000J1 comes with a stackable tool case, making transport and storage more convenient. In summary, the Makita SP6000J1 Plunge Circular Saw Kit is a powerful, precise, and well-designed tool that delivers professional-grade performance for precision cutting, cabinetry, and woodworking projects. Its plunge capability, guide rail system, variable speed control, and ergonomic design make it a top-tier track saw for users who demand accuracy and reliability. Number 4. Makita XPS01 PTJ 18V Cordless Plunge Circular Saw Kit. The Makita XPS01 PTJ 18VX2 LXT 36V brushless cordless 6/1/2 Plunge Circular Saw Kit is a high-performance track saw designed for professionals who need precise, smooth, and efficient cutting without the limitations of a cord. Powered by dual 18V LXT lithium-ion batteries, for a total of 36V, this saw delivers corded power in a cordless design, making it highly portable and convenient for job sites. At the core of this saw is Makita's brushless motor technology, which provides increased efficiency, longer runtime, and extended tool life. With a variable speed control dial, 2500 to 6300 RPM, users can adjust cutting speed based on the material, ensuring clean, splinter-free cuts on wood, MDF, laminate, and more. The plunge mechanism allows for precise depth adjustments, with a maximum cutting depth of February 3, 16" at 90 degrees and January 9, 16 at 45 degrees, making it ideal for cabinetry, flooring, and paneling projects. The bevel range, -1 degree to 48 degrees, provides additional versatility for angled cuts. For enhanced accuracy, the XPS01 PTJ is compatible with Makita guide rails, sold separately, such as the 199,140 to 039-inch rail, which ensures straight, precise, and repeatable cuts. The saw also includes automatic speed change technology, which adjusts torque and speed under load for optimal cutting performance. Additional features include a soft start system, an electric brake for safety, and a built-in dust extraction port for a cleaner workspace. The kit comes with two 5.0Ah batteries, a dual-port charger, and a MacBook storage case. In summary, the Makita XPS01 PTJ Cordless Plunge Circular Saw offers power, precision, and portability, making it an excellent choice for contractors, woodworkers, and serious DIYers who need cordless convenience without sacrificing performance. Number 5. Bosch 6.5-inch track saw with plunge action. The Bosch GKT13-225L61/2 precision track saw is a high-performance plunge saw designed for precise, splinter-free cuts in wood, plywood, MDF, and laminates. It is ideal for woodworkers, cabinet makers, and contractors who need accuracy, clean edges, and portability without relying on a table saw. This saw is powered by a 13-amp motor, delivering constant speed under load and a variable speed dial, 3,600 to 6,250 RPM, to match different materials and cutting applications. The Plunge action design allows for controlled entry into materials, making it perfect for cutting panels, doors, and flooring with precision. One of the standout features is the precision guide rail compatibility, ensuring straight and accurate cuts. The saw is engineered with overload protection and a smooth plunge mechanism, allowing for safe and controlled operation. It also includes a dual bevel adjustment with settings up to 47 degrees, giving users more versatility for angled cuts. The cutting depth is adjustable, allowing for 2 1/4 at 90 degrees and 1 5/8 at 45 degrees, making it effective for deep cuts in joinery work. Additionally, Bosch's constant electronics system maintains blade speed even under heavy loads, ensuring consistent, clean cuts. For cleaner workspaces, the GKT13-225L features an efficient dust extraction port, compatible with most vacuum systems to reduce airborne dust. The saw also includes a soft start function, overload protection, and an electric brake for added safety. The package includes a sturdy carrying case for easy transport and storage. However, the guide rail is sold separately. In summary, the Bosch GKT13-225L track saw is a powerful, precise, and professional-grade tool that delivers table saw-level accuracy in a portable design, making it an excellent choice for woodworkers, remodelers, and professionals needing exceptional cut quality and control.